GUI supports multiple animation forms, including window animation, widget animation, etc. First is window animation, which is the way to enter and exit the page itself. You can click the name of the window on the left and then enter the window properties. You can see Open and Close Anim hint. This is where you set the window animation, the default is none. There are many types of animation, please refer to it. If you select any one, you need to set anim duration and anim trend. If it is an overlay animation, you also need to set the start transparency and the end transparency. The value range is 0 to 255. Then the widget animation, which has 4 types: move, value, opacity, and attributes. Among them, value animation requires the widget itself to have the value attribute. And the animation of image-related widgets will have 2 more animations, scale and rotation. Take the button widget as an example. Set a move animation. Here is a fixed option. The name can be empty or set according to your needs. Delayed start time can set the animation delay, and the relevant time units are all milliseconds. If single anim duration is 1500, it means that it takes 1.5 seconds to complete an animation. Multi-speed refers to multiple speed playback. Its default value is 1. There are many choices for single anim trend. It is generally recommended to choose linear. You can only choose one of round trip time and repeat time, and the value behind represents the number of times. If you want to play forever, you can set it to 0. Autoplay created an auto-delete over our whether to play automatically and automatically destroy, which can be set according to your needs. Now let's introduce the alignment of widgets. First, the top and bottom alignment of multiple widgets. Then the left and right alignment. There are also horizontal center alignment and vertical center alignment. The above are all commonly used alignment methods. If you want to try more types, you can click and expand the menu. The hierarchical relationship of widgets can also be adjusted in this menu. You can place it on the top layer, on the bottom layer, move up one layer, move down one layer, etc. In the upper right corner of the GUI software is the commonly used widgets area. The first row will automatically update according to the user's usage habits, and the second row can be customized by the user. Users can directly drag and drop commonly used widgets to the second row. In Settings, you can see a lot of basic settings about the project itself. In addition, there are LAN settings. This function requires an Ethernet port on the HMI screen. LAN is disabled by default, and you can set static or dynamic IP connections. If you choose static IP, you need to fill in the relevant content manually. MQTT requires MQTT-related configuration first. You can refer to the MQTT-related chapter of the user manual. Screensaver needs to be set in conjunction with the window page in the UI file. You can set the start time, the brightness when it takes effect, the brightness after wake up, etc. The above settings need to be filled in for the checked items as required. If you don't want to fill in, you can uncheck the corresponding items. The lower left corner of the GUI software is the resource bar, where users can put the pictures, fonts, videos, and audios they want to use in the resource bar and wait for them to be called. All resource names cannot exceed the scope of lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. You can click the plus sign on the right to add them to resources. Resources supports fuzzy search,